Hey friends, I am putting in a Zline K130 inch wall-mounted vent hood. So I pulled out my microwave and my other above the hood cabinet there, above the microwave cabinet. So right now I'm just going to be installing this gasket part on top here. Trying to give you guys a good view. So I'm not sure if this has to go a certain way. It does have a little bevel on it. If that has to go up or down, I'm not really sure, but I don't think it will matter that much, really. So anyways, that's going to go on the bottom of this as we put it on there, and this goes on top of that. So that's what we're trying to do, and this is fighting me. Okay, so that's doesn't really want to cooperate. Kind of, sort of. Looking like it goes on just like that. If it would stay. That's what we want. Okay, and we take our one-way valve here. This is an 8-inch one. Should be moving plenty of air there. And maybe this goes, maybe that bevel goes on the outside of this. Oh yeah, you know what? See, there's a little, see if I can get you a picture of that. There's a little lip there, and that's going to go, I believe, right around the outside like that. So I'm going to try to do that and then set it on there if I can. Oh, it helps if I do it the right way, lengthwise, huh? All right, so there's that on there. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it goes on there. Like a glove. Although I'm not sure how I'm going to hold it on there while I'm moving it on there. Something like this. Okay, so I don't know if this is ambidextrous or not, if you know what I mean. Or does it go either way? It looks like it's either way you put it on there, it's the same to me. So I'm going to take that risk because it doesn't really specify. So I'm going to be setting that on that gasket if I can. My goodness. Kind of difficult here, I guess. Just because the gasket's a little bent. I'm trying to get that down and set this on top of it there. Come on, buddy. Give me some trouble here. Alright, that's obviously a little bit more difficult than it should be here. Okay, so that cord's not too much in the way. All right, getting there, I think. But now that side's not on there. You know what? Instead of you guys watching me fight this for like an hour, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out, and then I'll come back here.